like the busiest day ever. Worst day to go finish shopping. Are you all ready for Christmas?
95%. I just have to wrap and go grocery shopping.
How do you feel? Does it feel like Christmas now? Feels like Christmas. It's just like really crazy. I have a really bad canker in my mouth. Like so bad it hurts. Yummy. Just walking in the door from Christmas shopping and all these vlogs are about how I'm sick, but I really just don't feel so good, and I don't think going to the mall was a good idea, but it's okay. I mean, it was fine. I was feeling fine, and I should have just been like, you know what, stay home, but I didn't, because I have major FOMO. Anyways, I'm gonna like totally relax, so this video is gonna be pretty boring. I was gonna try and clean up a bit, but I think I should just rest, right? Yeah. I'll clean tomorrow on Christmas Eve. Ugh, this is the worst. Okay, I'm gonna end this video here. I am just like getting worse by the moment. I just have to shout out to my husband. He is the best. He is so sweet. I never like I talk about him, but he's like, he hates when I'm sick, but he is just taking one for the team, and I had like a million of errands to run. Look at this eye. I don't know what's going on. We had like a million errands to run, and he went out and he has been doing them all, and he's not feeling well himself, but he just doesn't want me to get more sick, or, you know, he just wants me to get better. So I'm actually gonna end the video here. I'm sorry that there was like no footage today. I was just not feeling well, and I thought maybe I could go to the mall and get, you know, finish some shopping and get some footage and like have a fun family time, but that just did not happen. I was miserable the whole time. I don't know if you can see this eye. It's like weird. Anyways, so that's all for today. I'm so sorry that this is one of the last Vlogmas videos that you're gonna be watching of me just like talking about how sick I am, but that's life. That's real Christmas in our household. So thank you again so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed all these Vlogmas videos, and if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to down below, and I will see you again tomorrow for another video. Good night.